Asterias rubens, Allen's keynotes, starfish, radiata. For the psychotic diathesis, flabby, lymphatic constitution, irritable temperament, easily excited by any emotion, especially by contradictions. Heat of the head as if surrounded by hot air. Sanguineous congestion of the brain. Apoplexy, face red, pulse hard, full, frequent. Cancer of mammary, acute lancinating pain, drawing pain in breast, swollen, distended as before the menses. Breast feels drawn in. A livid red spot appeared, broke and discharged. Gradually invaded entire breast, very fetid odor, edges pale, elevated, mammillary, hard, everted, bottom covered with reddish granulations. Gait unsteady, muscles refuse to obey the will. Epilepsy, twitching over the whole body 4 or 5 days before the attack. Constipation, obstinate, ineffectual desire, stools of hard, round balls like olives. Diarrhea, watery brown, gushing out in a violent jet. Sexual desire increased in women. Relations similar to murex, sepia. Compare carboen, conium, silicia in mammary cancer, belladonna, calcarea, sulfur in epilepsy. Asterias rubens, Boric materia medica, red starfish. A remedy for the psychotic diathesis, flabby, lymphatic constitution, flabby with red face, lancinating pains, nervous disturbances, neuralgia, scoria, and hysteria come within the range of this remedy. Has been used for cancer of the breast and has an unquestioned influence over cancer disease, excitement in both sexes. Head cannot bear contradiction, shocks in brain, throbbing, heat in head as if surrounded by hot air. Face red, pimples on side of nose, chin and mouth. Disposition to pimples at adolescence. Female, colic and other sufferings cease with appearance of flow. Breast swell and pain in breast, worse left. Ulceration with sharp pains, piercing to scapulae. Pains down left arm to fingers, worse motion. Excitement of sexual instinct with nervous agitation. Nodes and indurations of mammary gland, dull aching, neuralgic pain in this region. Chest, breast swollen, indurated, neuralgia of left breast and arm. Pain under sternum and in muscles of precordial region. Left breast feels as if pulled inward and pain extends over inner arm to end of little finger. I repeat, left breast feels as if pulled inward and pain extends over inner arm to end of the little finger. Numbness of hand and fingers of left side. Cancer mammary even in ulcerative stage. Acute lancinating pain. Axillary glands swollen, hard and knotted. Nervous system, gait unsteady, muscles refuse to obey the will, epilepsy preceded by twitching over whole body, stool, constipation, ineffectual desire, stool like olives, diarrhea, watery brown, gushing out in jet. Skin, destitute of pliability and elasticity, itching spots, ulcers with fetid ichor, acne, psoriasis and herpes zoster, worse left arm and chest, enlarged axillary glands, worse at night and in damp weather. Relationship antidotes plumbum, zinc, compare carbovage, arsenicum, conium, incompatible nux, coffea. Modalities worse, coffee, night, cold damp weather, left side. Dose 6th potency.